Hi, today we are unboxing a MacBook Air with an M2 chip and looking at some of its specifications. This MacBook Air comes in 13 or 15-inch models, this one being the 13-inch model. If you want more videos like this, please like, subscribe and give a thumbs up. The M2 chip has an 8-core CPU and an 8-core GPU, which can be extended to a 10-core GPU. It also has a 16-core neural engine. It has a storage of 256 GB. Again, you can configure it with 512 GB to 2 TB storage, but the extra memory costs extra money. The box contains a 2-meter long USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable, some manuals to read, and an Apple logo. It also includes a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. However, if you choose the 10-core processor and 512 SSD storage or higher than that, in that case you will receive a 35-watt power adapter. By default, the MacBook offers 90 days of technical support and 1 year of limited warranty coverage. You can also add additional coverage. There are 4 different colors. I picked space gray because it looked cleaner and was not too light or dark. Now look at this. It is a 13.6 inches with an LED backlit display. This looks good. There are some features that I wish had come with this MacBook. The top 2 on my list are a touch screen and a foldable screen that can be folded at least 180 degrees. Regardless, this MacBook offers a decent unit and there are ample features in this 1.2 kg box. Since M3 is already out, you may get a good deal on one of the store's sale.